Have a class 9th. This is your third chapter. So now I am going to start your third chapter, and your third chapter is values and data types. In this chapter of values and data types, in this chapter of values and data types, you will learn the basics of the programming. Actually, the basics of programming start from this chapter. So here is what are the values and their data types. So look at here. Before writing programs in any language, you need to understand the basic concepts required for programming. Means जो programming concepts हैं, they are very necessary to be known before we start writing program. We should know the basics of our programming. Every programming language has its own syntax rules, means whether that is Java, C or C++ or any other programming language, every programming language has its own style of writing the programs. So it has its own syntax rules, data types and range of values. This chapter introduces Java fundamentals to you so that you can start writing your own programs. So in this chapter you will come to know about the basic fundamentals of the Java programs so that you can start writing Java programs. I have also explained these basic fundamentals very clearly to the class 8th A. Yes, I have already explained these fundamentals to the class 8th A. So rest of the students should also focus on these topics. These are very easy, but these are very important as they are the fundamental of Java programming. And the first topic is the character set. What is character set? Actually, character set, you can say that when we talk, generally we use Hindi or we use English for talking. So if you are speaking in Hindi, then you use the words from a to gya. Means जो भी हिंदी वर्ड्स की वोकेबलरी में जो भी वर्ड्स हैं, सॉरी, जो कैरेक्टर्स हैं हिंदी लैंग्वेज के, जैसे छोटा बड़ा टाइप, you use those characters while you are speaking in Hindi. But when you are speaking in English, you use the character set of English, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So each language has its own character set, whether that is Hindi, whether that is English, or that's mathematics. If you are talking about mathematics, you can't talk in mathematics, but when you are solving mathematics, doing sums of mathematics, then you deal in the language of mathematics, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and other numbers. So every language has its own character set. Similarly, programming also has its own character set. Programming, or say that each programming language has its own character set. So now go through the definition. This is also very important definition. A character set is defined a list of characters recognized by a language. Means a character set is a defined list of characters recognized by a language. Means a language can identify only those characters which are defined in it. If a character is not defined in a language, then it cannot be understood. Means, as you know well, that English contains the characters from A to Z. This means that the character set of English contains the characters from A to Z. But suppose that you start using a character which is not included in the English character set, then the other person will not be able to understand this, because that character is not known by any person. So similarly in programming, or say in Java, because we are going to read Java, so I will especially teach you everything about Java. So Java also uses its own character set, and this character set contains number one, alphabet letters. Means Java uses alphabets, uppercase alphabets, that means capital A to capital Z, and lowercase alphabets, that means small a to small z. And the second one is numerals. Numerals means the counting digits which are 0 to 9, because rest of all the numbers are made with the help of 0 to 9. So the numerals are 0 to 9. Next one, third, is special characters. Special characters means when you are writing anything, you know very well that when you are writing anything thing in English, then you use question mark, comma, full stop, colon, and so on. When you are solving in mathematics, then you use percentage, curly braces, this sign, at the rate, while typing anyone's Gmail address or it. So these are the special characters. Collectively, these all the characters means alphabets, numerals, and special characters collectively are known as the character set of Java. Okay, means these alphabet letters, these numeral digits, characters, special characters, these all make the complete character set of Java. Collectively, the alphabets and numerals are also known as alphanumeric character set. They are also known as alphanumeric character set. Okay, alphanumeric character set means the character set which contains alphabets as well as numerals. So, alphabets and numerals collectively are known as alphanumeric. Two standard character sets are ASCII and Unicodes. The first one is ASCII and the second one is Unicode. Java uses Unicode. So come on now here on the next topic, and the next topic is ASCII character set. So learn about ASCII character set. That what is ASCII character set? So look at here. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Means, beta, this is the full form. This is the full form of ASCII, means American Standard Code for Information Interchange. It is a 7-bit set of codes. Okay, so it is a 7-bit set of codes. 7-bit set of codes. You know very well that what are the bits. Bits are zeros and ones. Okay, so this means when we use ASCII character set, then it converts any character, any numeral or any special character into a 7-bit code. 7-bit code means a sequence of zeros and ones in 7 bits that defines 128 different characters. Why? Because 2 to the power 7 is equal to 128. So now you will think that why 2 to the power 7? But 2 to the power 7 is used because there are only 2 bits which are known as binary bits, and these are 0 and 1. And the ASCII character set contains 7 bits and here are 2 bits. So 2 to the power 7. If you solve it, you get 120. Okay. So Java uses a 7-bit ASCII character set, means it can deal with 128 different types of characters. For example, letter A can be represented using 7-bit code 1000001. Means when you input A in the computer doesn't understand A, because you know very well that computer cannot understand anything except 0 and 1. So when you input the letter A, computer changes this A into the binary bits in the form of the binary bits and creates a 7-bit code that is 1000001. Means when you input capital A to the computer, you input capital A to the computer, but computer understands it as 1000001. So the ASCII character set is enough to represent every uppercase letter, lowercase letter, digit, and special characters used in the English language. ASCII character set also uses a 8-bit character set, but here in your book this is defined that this uses 7-bit set of codes. So I am just explaining you about the 7-bit codes, but ASCII also uses the 8-bit character set. And the next one is Unicode character set. So look at here that what is the, look at here, let us know more. The extended ASCII code is an 8-bit character set. Okay, so when ASCII code was extended 1 bit more, then it became from 7 bit to 8 bit, means then it will become 2 to the power 8. So 2 to the power 8 means 256 different characters. Means when you use ASCII 8 character set, that it can use 256 different type of the characters. Here is now Unicode character set. So it is given that Unicode is an international character set designed to represent all the characters found in your Unicode is an international character set designed to represent all the characters found in languages around the world such as English, Hindi, Japanese, Chinese, French and German. Means Unicode is an international character set which has the capacity to represent the different characters of many languages, which has the capacity to represent the characters of many languages, whereas ASCII can only represent the characters of English language, that is capital A to capital Z, 0 to 9, special characters. But Unicode character set also includes other languages like Hindi, Japanese, Chinese, French, German, and so on. It can use 8 to 32 bits to represent a character. Means the range of ASCII is only up to 8 bits, but Unicode character set can use up to 32 bits. Okay, so it can use up to 32 bits. Means the range of Unicode character set is much larger than the ASCII character set. The first 128 characters in the Unicode character set are same as those of ASCII character set. Means first 128 of ASCII and first 128 of Unicode are same, and the next 128 characters is the same as the extended ASCII character set. Means you can say that first 128 characters of the Unicode character set are based on ASCII 7, and next 128 characters of the Unicode are based on the ASCII 8 or the extended ASCII character set. The rest are used to represent characters from all over the world, making it the largest set of characters. Means after that, the rest of the characters are based on the different types of the characters which are used all over the world in the different languages. Java uses the Unicode character encoding. It enables you to handle text in any language. Means in Java you can handle the text in any language because it uses Unicode character set. The following table shows some letters represented using the Unicode character set. Means just you can say that Unicode character set also uses the Hindi letters like fa. So in Unicode this is represented in this form. Here this one is the next letter cha, Gujarati letter cha. Okay, so here is the next Telugu letter, and here is the next one, the sign of rupees, Indian rupee. Okay, so these are the different characters which can be represented in the Java character set, which is also known as Unicode character set. So I have also sent you the picture in your WhatsApp group, so you can read this, and the next day I will explain the next topic. Okay.